Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about robotics. Robotics is a hands-on and fun way to learn how robots are designed. Now, for all of us, robot is the coolest form of technology and we imagine various things when we hear about it. Some of you might be dreaming about the movie Transformers and gigantic robots fighting with each other. But this is not the case always, and people should know that robotics can be incorporated various machines and devices. Let's start with what is a robot. So, you can define robot as a multifunctional and reprogrammable machine that can carry out a variety of tasks. A few examples are cranes, washing machines, and more. Now, let's move on to the common types of robots that we see in our daily life. The first one is manipulator. It is a device which is used to manipulate materials without direct contact. The applications were originally for dealing with radioactive or biohazardous materials, like with robotic arms. In this image, you can see a robotic arm. The second type is legged robot or wheeler robots. These are a type of mobile robots that use mechanical limbs for movement. They are more versatile than the manipulator robots and can traverse many different terrains. I wish I had a robot that can go on a long walks with me. The third in the list are autonomous underwater vehicles or unmanned aerial vehicles. These are basically remotely operated robots that are capable of inspecting deep underwater or higher in the sky. One of the most famous examples is drones. You must have seen the movie Three Idiots and Amir Khan flying that drone in the college, right? Yeah, it was a drone. Now, let's move on to our next section, which involves the uses of robots. First of all, they are responsible for doing the jobs that are dangerous for humans, like cleaning the main circulating pump housing in the nuclear power plant. Also, the jobs that are repetitive, stressful, boring, and require a lot of labor could be easily done by the robots. Like there are welding robots. Even for the menial tasks that none of us wants to do, we can take help of the robots. Like you can find the scrub mate robot. I wonder if robots ever generated feelings, then they'd be hating us, right? But it's good that they don't feel yet. In this image, you can see robots working in an industry. Now, the next thing is the knowledge base one requires for designing a robot system. Firstly, there are sensors, which are used to estimate a robot's condition and environment. They send signals through a signal controller to enable appropriate behavior of the robot. Then you need to know dynamic system modeling and analysis, which is the basic element of mechanical design and control of the robot. After this, we have actuators, you can say muscles, and power electronics, which are there to offer mechanisms and to introduce motion in the robot. Then we have the feedback control, which is the mechanism through which the robot shows its working, the feedback it provides to the instructions given to it. Then at the end, obviously the computer programming, which should be there and which one must know to create a robot. Hardware and computer interfacing is also a crucial part of a robotic system. Through the interface, you can enter details or instruction in the robot. Now, we can also classify the robots on the basis of movement and position, like fixed and mobile robots. Fixed robots, as the name suggests, can move from one place to another and do their job from a fixed position, while mobile robots have tracks or wheels attached to them and could easily move from one place to another. Now, this is the image that shows robots working in an industry and how they help a company in growing its profit and sales. So, this is all for now. Thank you guys for watching this video.